How to scan to a Windows computer from the printer control panel for HP OfficeJet Pro printers. Setting up the Scan to Computer feature allows you to easily scan a document to your computer directly from the printer control panel. Note, this feature is currently only available for Windows computers. For macOS computers, you can use the free HP Smart app to scan to your computer. Step 1. Install the HP Universal Scan software. To get the software for the Scan to Computer feature, go to hp.com/HP Scan. From here, you can download the HP Universal Scan software. You have the option between the full feature and basic feature drivers. HP recommends the full feature driver. This includes the OCR feature, which allows you to save documents in a searchable PDF format. Select Download next to your preferred option, double-click the exe file, and follow the on-screen prompts to install the scan driver and connect to your printer. Step 2. Enable the Scan to Computer setting. Enabling the Scan to Computer settings on your Windows computer allows your computer to become visible on the printer control panel. For this step, make sure your printer is connected to the same wireless network as the computer. Search for and open HP Scan Assistant. Click Manage Scan to Computer, and then select Enable. Step 3. Change the default scan settings. Before using the Scan to Computer feature, you should first set the file types you would like your scan saved as. Search for and open HP Scan. In the Scan Shortcuts menu, select your preferred scan file types by choosing options such as Save as PDF or Save as JPEG. After you have set your desired scan settings, click the Save icon. Step 4. Scan to the computer from the control panel. The Scan to Computer feature is now ready to use. Place the item that you're scanning onto the scanner glass, or depending on your printer model, place the document to be scanned into the automatic document feeder. Caution: do not load photo paper into the automatic document feeder to avoid damaging the printer. On the printer control panel, select Scan and then select Scan to Computer. Select your computer from the list. If you are unsure what your computer name is, search for and select About Your PC in Windows. Your computer name is displayed next to Device Name. After you have selected your computer, select your preferred scan option and then select Send. The scan sends to your computer. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.